How to change templates in Squarespace. So here from the dashboard, I've just clicked on website, which is taking me to my Squarespace website. Now right here, before you could change actual templates in version 7.0, but now in version 7.1, what we can do is click on site style, and you can sort of change your template through these different methods. So for example, if you want to change the font here, then we will just choose another font and it's automatically going to change it for our entire website. Now you can repeat the same for the colors as well. So we can change different colors on our website, as you can see here, the text color. And we can also, for example, change the spacing, the buttons, the forms, the image blocks. You can repeat the same process for all of these things right here. But that is the closest things we have, the closest thing we have to actually changing templates now in version 7.0 in Squarespace. So I hope this helps you out. I know it's not ideal, but it's the best thing we have right now. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.